Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best Greek salad using an easy method. We'll start with the core ingredients that make this dish so special. You'll need about 2 large, ripe tomatoes for their sweet juiciness, 1 crisp cucumber for refreshing crunch, and 1 small red onion for a delightful bite. Don't forget about 1 cup of briny Kalamata olives, and about 8 ounces of creamy, authentic feta cheese to complete our foundation. Now let's prepare our fresh vegetables for the perfect texture. First, chop your 2 large tomatoes into 1-inch pieces. Next, slice your 1 cucumber into 1/2-inch thick rounds or half-moons. For the red onion, thinly slice about 1/4 of it into delicate rings or slivers. You can keep your 1 cup of Kalamata olives whole or halve them. Finally, crumble or cube your 8 ounces of feta cheese into generous, bite-sized portions. The dressing is incredibly simple yet packed with flavor. You'll need about 1/4 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil as the base. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar for a tangy, bright acidity. A generous pinch, about 1/2 teaspoon, of dried oregano is absolutely essential for that authentic Greek taste. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your chopped tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and red onion, along with the Kalamata olives. Pour the freshly made dressing evenly over these ingredients. Gently toss everything together to ensure every piece is beautifully coated. Just before serving, top the salad with your crumbled or cubed feta cheese. Serve immediately to enjoy the freshest taste and best texture of your delicious homemade Greek salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.